Hi everyone, we are glad to have you back to Platform TV, where we bring you maths content in an amazing and yet easy to understand way. In today's video, we will be looking at how to find the highest common factors of 2, 3, or 4 numbers in 2 or 3 methods. Don't forget, I am still your Tutor Annie, and before we get into today's video, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any new video from us. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As usual, we are grateful for your support as it helps us grow and keep making great content just for you. Alright, let's get started with the HCF. Factors are numbers that can divide another number without any remainder. Factors can divide another number without a remainder. Factors can divide another number without a remainder. So, 4. Factors of 4 are 4. 1 can divide 4 without the remainder. 4 can divide 4 without the remainder, and 2. In fact, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Then we have 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 can divide 10 without remainder. 2 can divide 10 without remainder. 5 can divide 10 without remainder. 10 can divide the 10 without the remainder. Now, we talked about numbers that can divide the number without the remainder, right? Can 3 divide the 10? No, it cannot. And since 3 cannot divide 10, 3 is not a factor of 10. Can 4 divide 10 without the remainder? 4 can divide 10, but it will have a remainder. So 4 is not a factor of 10. How about 6? 6 can divide 10, but it will have a remainder. 6 is a factor of 12 and other numbers, but 6 is not a factor of 10. So a number that can divide another number without a remainder is a factor of that number. Now we'll talk about highest common factor. We're talking about factors of numbers that are common in 2 or more numbers. Now if I'm looking for the highest common factor within a 4 and a 10, we have a 1 and we have a 1. But 1 is not a prime number. So we can actually say that the factors of 4 and 10 are 1 and 2. Because 2 is here and 2 is here. So the highest common factor of 1, the common factors of 10 and 4, or 4 and 10, is 1 and 2. Or what do we say the highest common factor of 4 and 10? The highest common factor is what? 2. So if I have a number like 10 and 15, and I'm to look for the highest common factor within 10 and 15, right? So I'll have to find the factors that are available in 10 and the factors that are also available in 15. So what are the factors of 10? Remember, factors are numbers that can divide another number without the remainder. Earlier on, we listed the factors of 10. So let's say the example of the factors of 10 will be what? 10 will be what? 1, 2, 5, and 10 itself. Now, what are the factors that are available in 15? 15 will be what? What are the numbers that can divide 15? 1 can divide 15. 2 cannot divide 15 because 15 is an odd number. 3 can divide 15, right? 5 can divide 15. Can 6 divide 15? Yes, it can, but it will have a remainder. Can 10 divide 15? Yes, it can, but it will have the remainder. And what? 15 itself. So these are the factors of 15. So when we do this now, we now have common factors. So we have common factors of what? 10 and 15. Common factors CF are the numbers that are available or within the first number, the factors of the first number that is also available in the second number. Those are the what we call what? Common factors. So I have common factors that are available in 10 and 15. I have 1 is present in both of them. I have 5 is present in both of them. 10 is not here, 15 is not here either. 2 is here but not here, 3 is here but not here. So the common factors of 10 and 15 is what? 1 and 5. Now, having found the common factors within 10 and 15, the highest common factor, it means the number that is the highest among the common factors of within 10 and 15 is what? 5. HCF of 10 and 15 is what? 5. So I want to do the second method. So I'm looking for the highest common factor between 12 and 18. Right? From the first method, we had the common factor method. Now the second method is a prime number method. Factorizing the prime numbers, right, or the prime factors. Now a prime factor is a factor of a number that is a prime number. A prime factor is a factor of a number that is a prime number. A prime factor is a factor of a number that is what? A prime number. Example of prime numbers. Example of prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, what is a prime number, you might say? A prime number is a number that can be divided by what? Itself and 1 only. A prime number is a number that can be divided by itself and 1 only. A prime factor is a factor that is a prime number. A prime factor is a factor that is a prime number. A prime factor is a factor that is a prime number. So if I were to break down 12, will be what? 12 will be what? 2 times 2 times 3 in prime number format. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. What about 18? 18 will be what? 2 times 3 times 3. Right? Because 2 times 3 is 6. Right? 6 times 3 is 18. Or 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Now, we can now see from the prime numbers aspect that I have 2 and I have 3. So I can circle them. Right? I'm picking one and I'm picking the other one. So what is the number that is available that's a prime number? I have what? 2 times 3. My highest common factor of 18 and 12 is what? 6. I can also do this with the common factor method. So what is my common factor? Factors that are available in 12, right? Factors of 12 will be what? 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12, right? 12 is also a factor of 12, right? I can do it with 18, the same thing with 18. 18 is what? 1. 2 is a factor of 18. 3 is a factor of 18. 4 is not a factor of 18. Neither is 5 a factor of 18. 6 is a factor of 18. 9 is a factor of 18. Is there another number that can divide 18 apart from 18? 18 can divide itself. So what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor. So I have 1. Common factors of 12 and 16 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Highest common factor is what? 6. It's the same with this. It's the same with that's method 2. So we have one method, the highest common factor method, and the what? Prime number factorization method. Last method. Finding the HCF of 18, 40, and 48. So I will divide this, I'll draw this, I'll draw this, and I'll draw this. Right? I'll draw a line across. I'll have 18, I have 40, I have 48. In this method, wherever we have the number that we cannot divide the most, we stop and then we multiply. Remember, our prime factors are numbers that are factors that are prime numbers. So we'll start with the lowest prime number. So we have 2. 2 into 18 will give me 9. 2 into 40 will give me 20. 2 into 48 will give me 24. I don't have a number that can divide into any of this anymore. So my HCF is what? 2. We can do it with the prime number method. Let's see if it will give us the same answer. So we have 2. So I'm going to the prime number method. So I have 18 will be what? 18 is what? 2 times 3 times 3. Right? 20 is what? 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 5. Is it 20? Alright, let's try it again. So let's go. So we have 18 is equal to what? 2 times 3 times 3. 40 is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 48 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So let's break it down. So 2 times 3 is 8. M is 9. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 5 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Times 3 is 48. So if you look at it all roundly, so what is common amongst the three of them is just this line of 2. So this line of 2, so our HCF is what? 2. Our HCF is what? 2. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video on finding the highest common factor, where we used the common factor method to find the HCF. We used the prime factor method to find the HCF, and we used the divisional method to find the HCF. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are a visitor, please don't forget to subscribe to Platform TV and turn on the notification icon. We love to hear from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for our future video. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.